Welcome everybody.
Welcome to beautiful Florida.
Welcome.
On this journey, we have landed in the sunshine state of Florida, and we're going to go ahead and explore all of her beauty that we possibly can. One good tip for traveling Florida itself, South Florida, is have a vehicle, rent a car. Because a lot of times these resorts, even though you may get a great deal on the resort, you're kind of like stuck to the resort and they're over prices, and you're not going to really see some of the stuff that we're going to see in this video here. So definitely get a rental car and go pick your beaches. You know, some have water taxis at them, and that is great, but basically a lot of these places are just going to turn you upside down and try to empty all the money they can out of your pockets. So this is a better way to see Florida. I hope you enjoy my home.
Boca Raton. Now, Boca Raton is a little bit higher priced, but it is gorgeous here.
Deerfield Beach, right off of Hillsborough Boulevard. It's north of Fort Lauderdale. Check it out. Weather is a lot nicer than up in Daytona, and also the water is warmer. It is a bit sad in a way being in Deerfield, because I grew up on this beach and I'm seeing so much development here. I mean, this used to be like a real kind of calm, quiet place. Now it's mayhem, but it's still fun and nice.
Great place to visit here in South Florida, Lighthouse Point. Very relaxing, beautiful scenery. Sit back, watch the ships come in. great beach to visit just south of Deerfield, Pompano Beach. Beautiful.
Fort Lauderdale Beach. Now you're probably going to see some crowding in here from Oakland Park, clear down to Hollywood beaches and stuff. But these are the most popular beaches in the state, next to probably maybe Miami.
We are on another beautiful Fort Lauderdale beach. This one is actually closer to Sunrise. Where Scott was at earlier is the more popular area. That's where all the nightlife happens. This is quieter, a lot more laid back. Just as pretty. On this trip, we are staying at the Galleria Doubletree by Hilton. This place is fabulous. They have jacuzzi, swimming pool. It's right on the intercoastal, and there's a water taxi that will take you all around. You can either book directly through the hotel or check it out through Airbnb.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. If you did like what you saw, please hit that like button. We'd also greatly appreciate it if you subscribe and join our family. Don't forget to ring that bell for notification of future videos. Thank you.
Thank you.